welcome to my kitchen. Today I bring to you a very simple chili chutney from Mizoram, Hmarcha Rawt. The chutney is quite popular and usually served with every meal. The recipe is simple yet loaded with flavors that will make you go slurp. And if you are a chili fanatic like me, I am sure you'll love it too. We need just 4 humble ingredients for this chutney. Green chillies, salt, grated ginger and onion, which I am going to finely chop. First of all, puncture the green chillies. Then take a flat pan, place the green chillies and roast it evenly on all sides on a medium flame, which will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Now in a mortar, take the roasted green chillies and pound it into a coarse paste. Once done, scoop it out in a bowl. Now add the finely chopped onions, grated ginger and salt as per taste. Mix it well. And our delicious chutney is ready to be served. The chutney is absolutely delicious and you will fall in love with the flavor of the roasted green chillies blending beautifully with the crunchy onions. So do try it out and let me know in the comments, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It's hot and mouth-watering. I'll see you guys next Friday.